Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting tips and tricks related on DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you purchase this product and creative combo, you receive DJI Mic 2 as well. Initially, you are able to connect very easily, but after using couple of days or couple of months, if you use this mic in other devices, so you're not able to connect very easily on your Osmo Pocket 3. So this video is very important for you, how to pair DJI Mic to Osmo Pocket if you are facing such problem. Let's check it out, step by step process. So now how to fix and how to connect this DJI Mic 2. So first of all, you need to scroll down here. Here is the setting option. You just simply tab here. The first option come here, wireless micro. So here two option is showing TX1 and TX2. So TX1, it means if you connect this one, so here the showing the option, but now is not connected. So first of all, the mic, turn it on, and here the green light is showing here. And now we can try just simply to pairing. Press this button to pair. Let's see, 1, 2 and 3. Still it's not pair. Look at this, power on Osmo Pocket and then pair, but this one is already power on. So that condition you need to press this button opposite side of this one. So this light automatically change as a green to blue. So we can press here 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and boom, look at this, this light is coming here, now is blue. Now we can just simply press here this button and let's see anything changes happen here or not. No, DJI Osmo audio is connected. Now it's connect and boom. If you are facing the problem, you should apply this tips and tricks. After that, very easily connect your DJI Mic 2. Hope you enjoy this video. If you really like these tips and tricks, so before leaving, please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.